Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. Into this tutorial I'm going to show you how to edit picklist field in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first we need just to go to setup, and from here we need to go to our objects manager so we can search for the picklist fields, and simply you can click on the objects manager, and if you don't have it in your tab you can simply search for object manager, and basically we'll find it here. We go to the object manager, then we can go to any object that you would like. You go to field in the relationship, and simply you will need to search for data type and search for the picklist values. So here we have this active, and which is a picklist field. I click on it, and basically you will be able to edit this picklist. So here you can see that those are the active picklist value. It has only two values, which is no and yes. Now you can start adding new values if you want to your picklist. So you can just simply type like that, and you will click save, and you will see that the values has been added to this picklist. So I'm just going to select them and delete them. So I'm just going to click on delete, and let's uh, here let's just click on save since there is no record that has these values, and I'm just going to delete this one and click OK and delete this third one. And basically you can also uh, edit the definition for this one, and basically you can start having more general information or usage. So basically in my field I have this name, etc, etc. You can uh, customize whatever you like in your field. So basically this is how you do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.